Hello and welcome to the inaugural episode of Insurance Mantra, your weekly guide to understand the world of insurance only on ET Now. Insurance is not just a policy, it's a powerful financial tool, a safety net that cushions us from life uncertainties, be it health emergencies, accident, property loss, or even business risk. With India's insurance sector set to grow fourfold in next 10 years, there have never been a more important time to build insurance awareness. That's the very purpose of Insurance Mantra, a weekly show dedicated to simplifying insurance and keeping you informed. This show aligns with the government and IRDA's ambitious vision of insurance for all. So whether you are an individual looking to secure your future, a small business exploring coverage options, or just someone who wants to understand what insurance really means, this is your go-to destination. I am Anurag and you are watching Insurance Mantra. Let's begin journey of awareness, protection, empowerment. This year marks a significant milestone for the India's insurance industry. 25 years since the sector was opened up and 25 years of IRDA's journey as a regulator. For Insurance Mantra, I caught up with Mr. Satyajit Tripathi, Member Distribution, IRDA, to understand regulators' commitment to its ambitious mission, Insurance for All. Listen it to what he had to say.
IRDA has made a lot of regulations simpler. It has also combined a lot of other earlier regulations into a simple master circular kind of thing, so that a lot of compliance related things have also become quite easier for the companies and others also, all the regulated entities I mean. Plus our intention is also to see that we make insurance policies affordable, accessible and available at the lowest strata of the society. To this extent, we have also involved companies into taking part in various state governments' insurance plans, and various state level insurance committees also have been formed by engaging with the companies in those states. IRDA also is involved in making things more flexible for the insurance company as far as their expenses of management is concerned. As you know, a cap of 30% is now put into expenses of management overall, instead of having line-wise caps as was given earlier. So in a way, IRDA is taking a holistic view of the overall ecosystem to make things flexible, simpler and easier for all the stakeholders to take the insurance forward.
Okay. So you just said that IRDA also working on to make insurance affordable. So how the overall distribution cost can be reduced so insurance can be made affordable?
We feel that a digital intervention in selling insurance policies in far and wide areas will be reducing the cost significantly. There is infrastructure build-up that is happening at the intermediary level, adoption of technology also at company level, and also in various other channels which will make these things simpler and cheaper in the long run.
So recently we have seen, and companies are also raising concern that IRDA may come up with a change in regulation related to the bank assurance channel. So is there any plan to change the bank assurance regulation or to cap the limit of bank assurance business through any particular parent bank? Is there any plan on which IRDA is working? Because there are so many media reports have mentioned that IRDA may cap the bank assurance business through the parent bank.
This particular point has been raised again and again in various other channels. At present, IRDA doesn't have any direct plan to cap any kind of bank assurance business. Bank assurance has been contributing to spreading insurance all these years, and as and when a need comes, this will be looked into closely. At this point of time, the banks, whether it is a parent bank or it is a partner bank, with many insurance companies are doing their business as per the laid down guidelines.
And sir, what's your view on the mis-selling through bancassurance channel?
This is the contentious point. There are certain mis-selling that is happening, but we cannot attribute everything to the bank assurance channel. They are doing overall a good job in spreading the insurance message in far and wide areas of the country.
So moving on, insurance in India is incomplete without LIC, the oldest and the largest insurer in the country, with its unparalleled reach across every corner of India and a policyholder base of over 30 crore. LIC continues to be backbone of India's insurance story. To get the leadership insight on the industry's journey and the road ahead, especially on the ambitious goal of insurance for all, I am joined on the show by R. Doraiswamy, CEO and MD of LIC. I can say Chief of LIC. Thank you so much, Doraiswamy sir, for joining this Insurance Mantra's inaugural episode. So to begin with, I just want to understand, as insurance awareness is increasing in country and government is also planning major reforms. So how do you see insurance sector going ahead for the policyholders and for the companies to achieve the target of insurance for all, and what would be LIC's role in it?
The insurance sector has been taking a lot of steps to ensure that the government and the regulators' vision of insurance for all by 2047. A lot of activities are being taken today by the regulator who has given this clarion call of insurance for all by 2047. The initiatives that are being taken by the regulator have been very progressive. He has not only been guiding the regulator has not only been guiding the insurance industry, but also yes, the streamlining the regulatory setup itself has been taking place. A lot of new initiatives have been taken. We are talking about state level insurance councils being set up, which is a very good initiative by the regulator. The insurance companies are working closely with the state governments, with the various other agencies for spreading the message of insurance across the length and breadth of the country. The new products, particularly the initiatives taken by the regulator in the form of composite insurance product, Bima Vistar, and the Bima Vahak, which are being almost in the final stages of preparation, might also be a great initiative in this direction. We are all looking towards ensuring that every section of the population is covered and the insurance penetration in the country improved.
Doraiswamy sir, I just want to understand from you, how is the insurance regulator IRDA playing important role in increasing insurance awareness and increasing insurance penetration in India? And I also want to understand how companies also taking it forward to achieve the target of insurance for all.
The regulator has been nudging the insurance companies to ensure that there are widespread coverage for insurance in India, and has been focusing on increasing the penetration. A lot of regulatory simplification has also been taken. The number of regulations have been reduced. The ease of doing business has been a major focus area by the regulator. The changes that have been brought in the form of sandbox regulation, the changes that it can be now round the year instead of cohort approach, it can be on a case-to-case basis, and so many new initiatives have also been taken. The composite products, the change in regulations, particularly even you can take the relaxation in the expense of management, etc., has been a direction in nudging the insurance companies towards increasing the penetration. On the other side, the insurance councils have also been coming up with the idea of spreading the message of insurance as an important concept in the financial planning of the people. So a lot of initiatives taken by the regulator as well as the insurance companies individually and as an industry together are now working towards spreading this insurance and ensuring insurance for all by 2047.
So I also want to understand, according to you, what more need to be done to increase insurance awareness and penetration of insurance in the country? more and more people can be protected and the insurance can reach to the hinterlands also. So what, according to you, what more efforts need to be taken?
All said and done, insurance continues to be a push product. So first and foremost is to create awareness among people that insurance is an essential part of financial planning, particularly in an era where the income levels are still not at a comparable level with the developed nations. So protection of a family against an untimely loss of the breadwinner is an important concept, and towards that, one, spreading the message through various media campaigns is a very essential part. LIC on its part has been doing this in spreading this message of insurance in every nook and corner of the country, and by way of its campaigns in all media as well as at field level activities in villages going from place to place. Two, we can also think of introducing insurance concepts as a part of the educational curriculum of students, so that students grow with this notion of the understanding the importance of insurance as part of the financial literacy campaigns also. That will also certainly help. Three, the technology, leveraging the technology, particularly in an era where the internet is all pervasive, where it has spread to the entire country, is something which we need to very actively take up. Using technology, reaching everyone for both providing the knowledge of insurance as well as enabling them to avail insurance products is something which we can do. Also having tie-up with the India stack, you know how the JAM Trinity, the Jandan, the Aadhaar and the mobile have increased the penetration of financial services. The same way, by joining with the various agencies of the organization and ensuring that everybody gets the message of insurance to start with and gets the kind of protection through insurance coverage is ensured, is something that the industry should take up in right earnest to ensure that we cover the entire country as early as possible.
Thank you so much, Doraiswamy sir, for joining us today and sharing your insights on our insurance mantra. So now the time for a short break. On the other side, we'll be joined by Nilesh Sathe, veteran of insurance industry, for our special segment, that is Expert Speak. So stay with us.